Look up at the stars tonight. It seems peaceful, doesn't it? But for 60 years, we have been pointing our telescopes at the sky, screaming hello into the void. We are desperate to find a friend. We want to know that we are not alone in this infinite darkness. But we never stop to ask, why is the universe so silent? There is a terrifying theory that says the universe isn't empty. It is actually full. But the smart civilizations are staying quiet. Because in a dark forest, if you shout, you get eaten. Here is the mathematical problem. There are 200 billion stars in our galaxy and billions of planets that look just like Earth. Even if life is rare, statistics say there should be millions of civilizations. Some should be millions of years older than us. So, where is everybody? Liu Cixin proposed the answer. Imagine a cosmic forest at night. Every civilization is an armed hunter, stalking through the trees like a ghost. Because everywhere in the forest are stealthy hunters like him. If he finds another life, another hunter, an angel or a demon, he cannot trust them. They might be friendly, but they might be a trap. And in this forest, hesitation means death. So the only safe option is to shoot first and eliminate the threat. This is why the universe is silent. It is not empty, it is terrified. You might think this is just science fiction, but we may have already heard a gunshot. August 15th, 1977. The Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio picks up a strange signal. It wasn't random noise from a star. It was loud, it was precise, it was artificial. It lasted exactly 72 seconds, a perfect mathematical burst sent from the constellation Sagittarius. American astronomer Jerry Amon was so shocked, he underlined the code and wrote one word: wow. We turned every telescope in America back to that spot immediately. We listened for months. But the signal never repeated, not even once. The line went completely dead. Did the civilization vanish? Or did they realize they made a mistake? Then, in 2015, American astronomers found something else, a star called Tabby star.
Let's verify against the catalog.
Something massive is blocking the light. It dims the star by 20%, which is impossible. It isn't a planet. It isn't dust. It looks like a massive artificial construction. Scientists call it a Dyson swarm, a cage built around a sun to harvest infinite energy. But there is a darker theory. What if they aren't building a power plant? What if they are building a wall to hide their star from the rest of the galaxy? They are turning off the lights because they know something terrible is watching them. In this dark, silent forest, there is one idiot lighting a fire. That idiot is us. For 100 years, humanity has been screaming. We built massive transmitters like Arecibo and shouted our exact coordinates to the galaxy. We even sent them a map, engraved on the Voyager probe's golden record. We invited them to come visit. We gave them directions to our home. Imagine you are an American soldier hiding in a muddy trench at night. And suddenly, the guy next to you stands up and screams his name. You don't think he is brave. You think he is going to get you killed. The most brilliant mind of our time, Stephen Hawking, warned us not to shout. He said meeting an advanced civilization would be like Native Americans meeting Columbus. That didn't turn out so well for the Native Americans. We watch Hollywood movies and assume aliens will come in peace to teach us. But in nature, when a higher civilization meets a lower one, the result is destruction. You don't hate the ants in your driveway. You are not evil. But if you want to build a paved road there, The ants have to go. To a civilization 1,000,000 years older than us, we are the ants. But how do they kill us? They don't send an invasion fleet. Fleets are slow. They send a cleanup crew. A simple, relativistic weapon moving at light speed. You wouldn't see it coming. One moment, the sun is shining. The next, it is gone. It hits a star and causes it to explode, wiping out the entire solar system instantly. This is the great filter. Any civilization that gets too loud gets deleted. Technology is not our savior. Technology is the trap. The more advanced we get, the brighter we glow in the dark forest. We think we are climbing a ladder to the stars, but we are actually digging a grave. The only way to survive is to turn off the lights and remain primitive forever. But humans are not good at being quiet. We are curious. We are loud. We have already sent the invitation. The radio waves have traveled 60 light years. They have already passed thousands of stars and thousands of ears. If anyone is listening, the weapon might already be on its way. It might be 1 year away, or 1 minute away. The tragedy is, they might not be evil, they might just be scared. Imagine 2 American hunters in the dark, both terrified, both with guns. Neither one can speak, because speaking reveals where they are hiding. So the saddest truth of the cosmos is that we might be surrounded by friends, but we can never meet them. The silence is the only wall protecting us. So tonight, go into your backyard and look up at the Milky Way. Do not wish for a signal. Do not wish for a visitor. Pray that the radio static stays static forever. Because if the static stops, the monsters have found us. This is Echoes of the Void. If you want to survive the dark forest, subscribe. Hit the bell icon before they hear us. We will be listening.